Hello, welcome to 22 Haitian Baby Page. I wanted to show you guys me outfit. This is it right here. It's a really nice, I'll link it below, but I hauled this video last year. I got it at Black Friday. This is from Tracy Ellis Ross. So let's see. The jacket was originally $59. I got the jacket in a size large because it was like really draping and it was on the ground, and I'm only 5'2". And then I got the pants for the trousers for $44. But I didn't pay $44 for the pants. I got, like I said, I got it last year for on Black Friday. So I'll link the video below because I told you guys the exact price that I got for it. And then I also wanted to show you guys. And then I got this black top at the sheer looking with like little leaves top from the thrift store. And then I got this. This dress was originally $50 from H&M, but I got it on sale for $20. That was before the whole scandal. They apologized since then. I have been in H&M. I have bought from H&M, and I will haul that soon. I never said I was not going to buy from H&M. I never said that, but I did say that they really did put a bad taste in my mouth, and I hold out longer than I thought I was. So here's the dress. This is what I'm going to wear for Christmas. I love the ruffles. See, it has a little ruffle thing in the bottom, ruffle thing in mid-low, and then ruffle in the front. I really wish they would have had ruffles in the sleeves, but I guess they were like all ruffled out. I love the flowers on it. So I was gonna pair that up with these boots that I got from Route 21. I got this for, can't remember. I want to say I got this for $10 if I'm not mistaken, because always check with Route 21. They always have the short, Route 21 and Rainbow, they always have the short heel, and it's always comfortable, and I don't do high heels. And I was really happy because I bought these boots since last month, and I've been trying to, I'm just going to go like this because it's like easier for me to do that. See, I bought these boots because I need to sit down. I'm so fat I need to sit down and take my shoes off for y'all to see. But I bought these boots like last month. I want to say last month. And I've been waiting, just waiting, low heel, to find a really nice outfit to wear with it. And I did. And I bought it. I paired it because the jacket comes with a red sash. But I paired it with same snake belt, snake skin belt, obviously flux snake skin belt that I bought from Boohoo. Check out for that. I mean, look out for that video that's coming up as well, because I have a whole bunch of things that I need to haul. I have, for the first time ever, Pretty Little Things. I have Boohoo. I have Forever 21 as well. Now, I'm not sure if you guys will see a video next Friday, because next Friday is Christmas weekend, and it's also my anniversary weekend. It's going to be 20 years that I was married. I've been married. So I'm going to be very busy. So I figured since I'm going to be busy, let me just go make a little haul right here. So the year is coming up. Also, see, pocket. The year is coming up. So I'm going to be for real about getting rid of this. I'm wearing a Body Magic girdle with this, and then let's see, does it have pockets? No, it don't have pockets in the back. But see, it has a really nice, really nice. This is the only wide-legged pants that I have because I'm quite short, so I love them, but they're like really hard for me to wear without it dragging on the floor. If it's a really nice material, like I said, my mom is a seamstress, so I really pay attention to material. If it's a really nice material, I hate it dragging through the floor. If it's a cheap material, I really have to like not care about it, which I usually always care about my clothes, for me to just allow it to drag. Now that I'm older, I'm looking at more tailored stuff and stuff like that. So more of my stuff is like high-end stuff. Not saying like I pay $1,000 for my clothes or nothing like that, but it's like clothes that, like, you'll find something for ASOS that's like $500, And then if you keep it in your, but it depends what it is, because sometimes you could kind of, if you especially if it's a trendier piece, you know it's not going to stay there, even at $500. But I've gotten stuff that's like $500, sometimes way more than that, and I've gotten it at a really good price. So, yeah, I have a special relationship with my clothes. So anyway, back to what I was saying. This right here, it has to be gone. Yes, I just had a baby, so it does take you like a year to 2 years to get the baby weight off completely. And I know there's some people, people be bouncing back like that. It depends on your genes as well. Like if your mother bounced back, if your grandma bounced back, kind of a thing. And then it also, if you're breastfeeding or not. And then the other thing is if you're eating right or not. It's a holiday season. I have myself a good time, if y'all can't tell. I had myself a good time. I was not counting calories and none of that. And the other thing is some of these celebrities that bounce back, notice you never see any of them right after they lose weight. Like Ray J's wife, she had posted a picture with her holding the baby right after she had the baby. A lot of people's like, oh, she still look pregnant. That's how you look. That's how you look. And the same thing with John Legend wife. When she took down the picture, I don't know why she did that, but she had like underwear, hospital underwear on, and you saw her belly and she was holding her baby. That's how you look for real. That's how you look for real. When you see these celebrities, think about it. When you see them with baby pictures and stuff like that, with fresh out the hospital, you never see, it's either you don't see a bottom, their stomach picture, or they're wearing something flowing where you can't see their stomach. But if you do see them, notice you see them after the baby's like already a certain amount month. You know, after you heal from your tummy tuck. Notice that. I'm telling you, I know what I'm talking about. But real women, when you, after you have a baby, your stomach is still, you know, it went through a lot. It's been stretching for like close to a year. There's no way that your stomach has been stretching for close to a year and it goes right back to flat. Not believable. So what I'm planning on doing is, I've never did a cleanse. Never. So I started looking up different things. I wanted to do a cleanse first, and then I'm going to go... Monday I'm gonna go back to the gym. So these are laxative teas that I thought that I would show you guys. They're like different, so they do different things. Okay, so let's go with this one. So I'm not breastfeeding. So if you're breastfeeding, do not do this, because remember, whatever you do to yourself, it goes to the baby. I actually lost my milk ever since I went back to work. Really regret that. Really regret that. So this one is a traditional tea, laxative tea. It's organic. It's called Smooth Move for relieves occasional constipation. So I've been eating fried food, junk food, so obviously I haven't been like really going to the bathroom like that. Non-GMO product, verified, okay? It has 16 wrapped tea bags. So it's like this. That's how the tea bags look. I can't tell you how it tastes because, like I said, I'm going to try it. I'm going to start on Monday because I don't go nowhere on Monday. So they have warning directions, you know, don't go past 2 weeks, whatever, 1 week, whatever. They give you the directions, 12 years or older can drink it before bedtime. So they say preferably before it's bedtime. So this is, the ballerina tea will make you use the bathroom really fast. So if you use the ballerina tea, do not, my friend told me that, if you use the ballerina tea, don't go nowhere, just stay in your house. This one, you go to sleep. So you drink this tea before you go to bed. When you go to bed, this tea will wake you up around the time you have to wake up anyway. And since I wake up at a certain time, 6:30, if I'm really sleepy, 7 o'clock to be honest, to wake up my kids for school, then I'll wake up just in time to use the bathroom, and I'll be perfectly fine with this. So this is like an ongoing thing. You know, you could use this as, you know, as need be for all of these, but you could, you know, you don't have to worry about using this and going to work and having an issue. So if you drink this before you go to bed, you already, you know, did your business before you went to work, because obviously by the time you wake up you have to use the bathroom. So this one is Sleepy Time. It's a sleep time detox. So promotes natural cleansing with aloe green, and all these other roots and stuff like that. Wellness tea. It's with this bear on it. So this is like early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Okay, Benjamin Franklin. I don't know why they put him in there, but okay. So they tell you the ingredients with it, responsible sources, suitable packages that you use. So this one is like, I heard this one is like if you have trouble sleeping. So not only does it help you with your constipation, at least that's what the person at the store told me. Not only does it help you with your constipation, it also helps you relax you enough to go to sleep. And I haven't got many nights of sleep. Some days I still sleep with my son. So obviously he's a baby, so why wouldn't I? So for those times, not saying that I want to be knocked out, but I want to be able to sleep and really relax and sleep, especially when I take my naps. They have 20 tea bags in this one. So this is what I'm planning on taking. Now, obviously, I'm not going to combine these because that's like not healthy, but I'm just saying if I try one at a time. These are usually $4.49. I got it for $2.29. I got this one on sale for something, but this will range you around $5 and some change. Okay, this one is the same thing, $5 and some change. So this is Yogi, and this is roasted dandelion spice detox, healthy for cleanser formula. This one has the less bag. This one is 16. Now this one, my friend told me this one is like an everyday thing as well. So they put the story of how it began. This is Yogi, this guy right here. Told you what it support, balance, approved by the FDA. Told you the ingredients, the supplements in this thing. Now this thing, and then they give you a little thing, a little yoga thing to relax you, little yoga for cleansing, what to do and stuff like that, like after you drink the tea. So for a stronger tea, so this one won't make you, like I said, ballerina tea is the #1 tea. I have not used that, but ballerina tea is the #1 tea if you're trying to just really detox, like where it's like as soon as you drink it you might be chilling and you're like, oh, gotta go. This one won't do that. They say obviously use 1 tea bag, but for a stronger tea to use 2 tea bags. So they're telling you, so if so when my friend was used to the ballerina tea and she bought this one, she didn't feel anything. So I don't think she read the back where it says for a stronger tea use 2. So I probably wouldn't use 2 because this is caffeine free. I wouldn't use 2 because this would be my first time trying it, so I wouldn't do it. I think my first bet that I'm going to use, because this one is like dandelion spice, so I know it has like kind of like a gingery taste. You know how ginger is kind of like spicy, since I don't really like that taste, but they have it in this flavor and they have it non-flavored. I probably will. This one will probably be the last one that I try. So most likely the first one. This one is like if I'm really desperate, to be honest. But the first, well, probably the second week or something. The first one I'm going to start with. I'm going to get a detox for Monday. So Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night. If it works out, maybe Wednesday night. If it doesn't work out where I'm using the bathroom in the beginning, then I'll just keep it on Wednesday because I usually go to work on I go to work on Thursday and I go to work on Friday. So I don't need that at work, especially my kind of work. They act like they can't let people use the bathroom and stuff. So I'm gonna use this one only because I love peppermint. I don't know what's up with me. I think it's because my grandma at our house, she grew a peppermint tea all over the place. I remember our neighbor called the cops because they thought it was weed. And they felt real dumb when they found out it was. The cops came, obviously. But, they felt real dumb. But I think that's the reason why. See, because you see the peppermint plant? Yeah. Like, we're going to grow a weed plant out in the open where everybody can see. But, okay. I mean, we don't smoke or... I've never smoked a day in my life or nothing like that. But I'm just saying, like... If you're going to do that, don't people usually hide it? But okay. So because I love peppermint, I think this one will be my first try. This one. And then I like the fact that I could go to sleep. You know, I drink it, I go to sleep. It's not like I have to be like, oh, if I drink it, I don't know when this is going to happen. So it really takes its time before, a couple hours before you have to go. It's not like White Castle, get up and go. So, all right, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. I think next year we'll see how it goes. Probably sometime next year, probably February, I give myself. I am going to go back to doing like once in a blue moon, do a video about a health video and let you guys know what's going on with me, how things going, how's life going, and how's this is going. But like I said, I'm not going to really beat myself up too much about my weight because I did just have a baby. But I'm not going to use that as an excuse as well too, because I do miss my clothes a lot. So I'm not really a girdles person. Now this Body Magic girdle, I love it. See, so it goes all the way up here and you measure it. It has like 3 different type of measurements. So I really like it, but it gives you lifts and everything. I really like it. Not fake hips, but it's supposed to lift you back there. I really don't see it, but I'm really not a girdle person. I have girdles, but I dread wearing girdles. I like to breathe. I hate being uncomfortable. I hate it cutting the circulation in this region. I just hate it altogether, to be honest. Or if you wear the one that comes a little longer, so you could kind of save your vajayjay, then you see this lining, and I can't stand that. So I didn't care about doing it with this because I had the long trench duster to go over it, but I'm just saying I would rather. I'm so forgetful. I can't even suck up my stomach. When I was younger, I used to be able to go to the club back in the day, suck in my stomach and do that all day. And when you suck in your stomach, that's pretty much working out your stomach. I didn't know that, so no wonder my stomach was on the flat. But these days, I'll be like, okay, all I have to do is suck it in. And I'll be like, I totally be forgetting. So, yeah, I just want to be able to just fit my clothes, to be honest. And I want to go back to the days where if I'm sleeping or if I say, oh, I got somewhere to go, I could think about what I'm going to wear. And I said, okay, this is what I'm going to wear. And wear it and it looks like that without my love handles coming out, my stomach looking too fat, my arms looking too jiggly or something like that. Or, or you can see my cellulite through the past. I know cellulite is not a fat girl thing. Skinny girls, Paris Hilton, Rihanna, Google it. Beyonce, Google it. They all have cellulite. So it's not a fat girl thing. It's more of what you're putting in your body. That's all it is. So whatever. But you can minimize it when you cut back on the fatty foods and the fried foods and stuff like that. You eat more fruits and vegetables. It does minimize. I noticed that even within myself. But just saying. So yeah. Thank you guys. Comment, subscribe. Y'all know what it is. Peace. So I guess the next time you guys will see me, I will tell you guys my New Year's resolution. And let's see if it's going to be 2019, because I'm not sure. We'll see what goes on, all right? Peace.